I've been in business for 15 years. Siguro kung susumahin lang, dalawa lang naman yung parang pinaka-main career ko.
Mhm.
So, bago ako nag-go into business, I used to work in TV network.
Oh,
So,
yeah.
nasa production, no, production ako. So, I started there from production assistant until was able to achieve my dream of becoming an executive producer of a show, of a gag
Wow.
show in particular. So when I turned 30 years old, that's the time that I decided na I think parang I don't see myself growing old there
Mm.
na kaya I take that leap of faith to become an entrepreneur, to be a business owner, to try out something na hindi wala talaga akong experience. And yun, so would have thought na tatagal ako ng 15 years.
Wow.
And now I'm still doing my business in the life insurance industry. And I'm happy